Believe it or not, Kubernetes is the de facto operating system for the cloud. By 2023, 70% of applications will be run on Kubernetes. But security is a major concern, as most professionals and organizations are not equipped with the skill to run the Kubernetes cluster securely. Are you concerned about your outdated security skills? Well, don't be. With the Certified Cloud Native Security Expert course, you can learn everything you need to know to excel in Kubernetes security roles. Whether you're a security engineer, AppSec engineer, pen tester, or security analyst, this course will help you take your career to the next level. This course will provide you with practical, real-world skills that you can use right away. You don't need any prior experience with Kubernetes. All you need is the working knowledge of basic Linux commands. You can access the course and labs within your browser. With no software to download, you'll be up and running in no time. If you ever have any questions, our 24/7 support on Slack will get you the answer from the instructor within minutes, not hours. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills and knowledge you need to secure cloud-native applications. You will achieve this goal by gaining a practical understanding of the Kubernetes security landscape. You will also understand best practices for securing a Kubernetes cluster. You will learn about the different tools and technologies that can be used to secure a cloud-native environment. You will understand the different compliance requirements that must be met in Kubernetes clusters. You will understand about the various types of attacks that can be launched against a Kubernetes system and how to defend against them. You will also gain hands-on experience in securing a Kubernetes cluster. The CCNSE is a vendor-neutral course that teaches you how to secure Kubernetes stack in any environment. Be it on-prem or cloud, you will feel at home. You will begin the course by learning the basics of microservices, container security, and Kubernetes security. Then you will learn how to attack a Kubernetes cluster to access its security. After you've compromised the system, you will learn how to fix the issues using Kubernetes security primitives. Finally, you will learn how to identify and mitigate vulnerabilities automatically using GitOps. With more than 5,000 satisfied students across 80 countries, you can't go wrong. Many of the Fortune 500 companies require our certification for their AppSec roles. Get ahead of the curve and start your learning journey today at practicaldevsecops.com.